Ever wondered how Wall Street seems to always stay ahead, capitalizing on every market move? It's not just luck, it's a calculated game of emotions. Wall Street's secret weapon, manipulating market sentiment to provoke impulsive reactions from retail investors. During market downturns, fear is their ally. They amplify negative news, creating panic and driving prices down, a tactic known as a bear raid. Once the panic sets in and prices plummet, these big players swoop in to buy stocks at a discount, reaping huge profits. But it's not just fear they play on. Greed is another powerful tool. In bull markets, they release overly optimistic forecasts, luring investors into buying overpriced stocks. As the bubble inflates, Wall Street quietly sells off the shares, locking in profits before the inevitable crash. And then there's FOMO, the fear of missing out. They create a buzz around certain stocks, making you feel like you're missing the next big thing. This fear drives retail investors to make hasty decisions, often buying high and selling low, exactly what Wall Street wants. By understanding these psychological tactics, you can avoid the traps set by institutional investors and make more informed decisions. Stay smart, stay informed, and don't let Wall Street play on your emotions. Remember, in the stock market, knowledge is power. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Subscribe to our channel for continued exploration.